So already, if you are a student right now or any profession, but today's title would be how to earn money for a student. So if you want to be like professional to expert this type of thing, that's I will share with you today. So you can you not you don't you need to be a student. You can whatever you are in, if you are jobless or like just household, nothing problem, you can apply that. But today's title, it would be how to earn money for a student. So first of all, point is freelancing. You can work on Upwork, Fiverr, any other freelancing platform, marketplace. You can apply. You have already skill about specific topic. Like if you are a graphic designer, skip writer, you can give a job proposal on there. So this is the first. You can as well Facebook, LinkedIn, this type of thing. You can every day do post about uh, getting client. No problem. There are a lot of client in the world because internet is make world village. So it's easy to get, but you need to be expert about a specific topic. So number two is tutor service. If you already expert in a topic or master, you can teach people through video content. Like there are a lot of course platform available, Skillshare, Udemy, and you can also do your one funnel to sell your course. Or you can start with locally, like you can start with Discord, Zoom call as well. Just doing charts uh, your one way. Like one, if I teach you 1 hour, I will take you $100. So this is the tutor service, you can consider that. So number three is selling online. You can online is, I would say, 75% business is selling product. So if you want to sell something like book, your one product to your like your one country's people, so you need to find out first of all your marketplace, where you are able to like post your product, all of thing details, post your like price. So click find that. So you can do that like others people website, let's say Amazon. You can create Amazon account and put your one product. So you can do that your one countries. Every countries has big platform, market platform, like all of countries. So number four is drop shopping. Drop shopping is just, you don't need to uh, task any product. You just create a shop like Shopify, any other way. Create a shop and put your price that you see any platform like Alibaba, all sort of thing, and that's put on your store that you curated. And then you just need to marketing. You can run ad, or you can all as well do TikTok video, Instagram video for marketing, and boom, your sale would be great. So number five is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the just copy paste. If you have already like a big audience, you can sell product, other person product. Just they give you some commission. Like if you sell $100 product, they give you $10. And if you sell that 100 people, you got $1,000 maybe. Man, it would be wrong, I don't know about math. So $1,000 or $10,000 you will get. And affiliate marketing, it's sometimes not if you spend money for getting, like if you do invest, you can money like for ad, doing ad like running ads need money. So if you have if you can do that, you can run ad or whatever way you can marketing if you have any strategy. So number 6 is blogging. You can write, if you love writing, you can write any type of thing that's help people. You need to just post other person's website, your uh, writing, or you just create your one website. If you don't know, you just contact with Fiverr, Upwork, website developer, and give them $10 and create your one website and post your daily blog there, and some require need to monetization blog, and continuously do. And after that, I'm hoping you will get monetization and you will be greatest writer at blogging. So number 7 is blogging. You can doing video like that whatever way, and you can post social media, all of social media, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, all sort of social media. And after that you will got monetization, those platform, you will make a lot of money. Number 8 is selling photo. Selling stock photo like storyblog, pixel, pixbay, those type of platform. You can sell your amazing photo if you are a photographer, or if you are expert already at that marketplace. You can sell that. Selling number 9 is selling NFT. If you have a strategy to selling NFT, you can do that. It's related to cryptocurrency. There are a lot of people already sold a lot of NFT photo, and they got a lot of money, like million dollar they are doing income. NFT is the next biggest thing, I would say. Number 9 is voiceover artist. If you are expert about like voiceover artist, like talking, your voice is so good, uh, so good, like I'm doing voiceover as well, I'm recording. So my if you hear me, this is my voiceover, I'm talking. So if you're a voiceover artist, you already know, you just uh, post your all sort of thing, any marketplace or any social media for getting client. Those need voiceover artists, those need you. So and you can take money and if your work be good, they hire you forever for recording your voice if you're big voiceover artist. So getting client easy, but you need to be expert, and it's need to take some time. So getting money takes some time. So see you later in the next video. Until that, happy hunting.